بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. The month of Ramadan is the month of the Quran, and I want to quickly mention a beautiful hadith of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to help motivate us in building a bond and connection with the Holy Quran. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "The best amongst you is those who learn the Quran and then teach it. خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه أو كما قال صلى الله عليه وسلم." The best amongst you is the one who learns the Quran. So this is a prime opportunity that we have. A month in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed the Holy Quran. A month in which I myself can make this firm resolution that I want to learn how to recite the Quran. Reciting the Quran with the correct pronunciation, in the correct manner of tajweed, following all the rules connected to recitation of the Holy Quran. And once I've built my foundation and it is good enough and it is strong, then my job is then to teach it. If we have family members, we teach it to them. If we have children, we teach it to them. Our spouse, our extended family, our friends, and inshallah we will be from amongst those who will come under this hadith. خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala use these words for me but not against me on the day of Qiyamah. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Please share it with your friends and family. Spread the goodness, spread the khair. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you. Follow us on social media. Remember me in your du'as. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.